Your vehicle is equipped with a vehicle information system that monitors a host of vehicle functions. The vehicle information display is located here in the instrument panel. The vehicle information display can be changed using the left and right arrow buttons, and this dial, which can also be pressed to select items on screen. Press this button to go back to the previous menu. Some menus may vary based on the equipment installed on your vehicle. The Settings mode allows you to change the information displayed in the vehicle information display. Press the right or left arrow button until you reach Settings, and press OK. Use the dial to scroll through various menus, and press it to enter a menu. Main menu selection allows you to choose which items you want displayed on the main menu. Turn the dial to highlight an item, and press it to check or uncheck the box for each item. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.